call of today's session. So, very basics. The XY axis are going to divide your XY plane into 4 quadrants, right? Now, can I say that in quadrant 1, X is positive and Y is positive. So, the coordinates are of X comma Y will also be positive.
Yeah.
Whenever we write the coordinates of a point, it's always X first and Y next. In quadrant 2, X is negative. So quadrant 2, any point will be minus comma plus. In quadrant 3, we have negative X, negative Y. So any point in quadrant 3 is both minus minus. And anything in 4 will be plus on the x-axis and minus on the y-axis.
Yeah.
Okay. So first question, XY lies in second quadrant. Can I say second quadrant is this, where X is negative, Y is positive. So minus comma plus is X, are X and Y. So XY is negative and Y minus X is positive.
Yeah.
So answer is B, is greater than A. So simple negative positive, product and difference.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next. P is in the third quadrant and R is on the y-axis. Which of these must be true? Always we will draw the diagram in geometry. Third quadrant is this. P is in the third quadrant, which means both are negative, negative, X and Y.
Yeah.
R is on the y-axis. Now R can be here or R can be here. We do not know.
Yeah.
Which of the following is true? X coordinate of P is less than X coordinate of R. Can I say what R is? What are the coordinates of R? X is 0, right? So can I say 0 comma Y? And this will be
Yeah.
0 comma minus Y.
Yeah.
So X coordinate of P is what? Negative. X coordinate of R is 0.
Yeah.
Can I say this for sure is true because negative will be less than 0.
Yeah.
So A is correct. So what about B?
Not always true.
Y coordinate of R is what? Greater than Y coordinate of P. Can we say that for sure? Because first of all, R can be either positive or negative.
Yeah.
What is Y coordinate of R? Either Y or minus Y. And they're saying, is it greater than Y coordinate of P? We do not know what that is.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So R can be above P or R can be below P. So can't answer. We don't know. Not always true. C is point R is not on the origin. Is it true?
It not always. It could be on the origin.
Yeah, R could also be the origin, right? R is comma 0. Because R is
Yeah.
on the y-axis. It doesn't prevent it to be on the origin or to be
Yeah.
origin. So not true. Not always.
I have a question.
Yeah.
If a number is in the third quadrant, can it also be on one of the axes or not?
If a number is on the third quadrant,
Yeah.
no, it
Okay.
cannot be on the axis
Okay. Okay.
because both have to be negative
Okay.
coordinates. If the number is on any of the axes, then we don't, it's at the boundary of the
Yeah.
quadrants. Boundary between two quadrants. 3 and 4 in this case, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so even C is not correct. What about D?
Mm-hmm.
Coordinate of R is 0.
That's true.
X coordinate of R is 0. True, right?
Yeah.
So answer is R, A, and D. So always take scenarios. First of all, draw. Take scenarios of where R can be.
Mm-hmm.
Definitively, we have not been given the position of R. We just know it's on the y-axis, but it can be on positive or negative. It can also be the origin. It can be above P or below P. We do not know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is how it looks.
Mm-hmm.
Next question. Line M in XY plane contains 2 points, 1 by 4 and 5 by minus 5 comma minus 1. Now they're asking us slope of a line parallel to M. Now, before we solve this question, two things which I would like to tell you regarding slope. Okay.
Yeah.
The slope equation is y equal to mx plus c, where m will be the slope and c will be the coordinate, y coordinate.
Yeah.
Okay. When x is equal to 0. So c is y
Mm-hmm.
coordinate when x equal to 0. Now, how to find slope? So suppose the line passes through 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2. The slope will be given as difference of y and difference of x, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1.
Yeah.
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 So that's your slope. Also, if the line is of this form, ax plus by equal to c, I can rewrite it in this format. And when I do that, it becomes by equal to minus ax plus c. So y equal to minus ax by b plus c by b. So the slope m becomes minus a by b. So when I say that this is the equation of a line, you should immediately understand that the slope is a by b and minus.
Mm-hmm.
Shortcut.
Yeah.
X should be first, y should be later. Okay. And the ratio of the coefficients of x and y and negative of that is your slope.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now these two are the important points. So let's solve this. Slope of line parallel to M. So can I write M is equal to delta y by delta x, and change in y is 4 minus of minus 1, and change in x is 1 minus 5. Can I say this is minus 1.25? And this will be lower.
Yeah.
And it's slope of a line parallel to M, right?
Yeah.
So it will have the same slope.
Mm-hmm.
So line M has this slope, and the another line which is parallel line will also have the same slope, M.
Yeah.
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 Next, what is the equation of the line? First of all, is it positive or is it negative slope? So the clue is anything which is less than a right angle, which is this, is positive slope. Anything which is greater than a right angle, which is like this, is a negative slope. So this is less than a right angle. So definitely positive slope.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you think is the equation of the line?
Um, D.
Which one? D.
Yeah.
Sure.
Not really.
So we learned sometime back ax plus by equal to c. What is the slope? Minus a by b, right?
Yeah.
So when I rewrite this, it will be 2x plus y equal to 13. So can I say slope will be negative here? So this
Yeah.
is ruled out. So this is ruled out.
Mm-hmm.
And these are the ones with positive slope.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how do I understand which is the answer amongst these? Best way is to plug in. Put this 1 comma 13 inside any of these lines and see which matches. Because 1 comma 13 is on the line, correct?
Yeah.
So it should match E, right? Because if I put x as 1, we get 13.
Yeah.
So answer is E.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So we did not even need to calculate slope here. What I
Yeah.
did was, I just first found out whether it's positive or negative slope. And since we know
Mm-hmm.
one of the points, just try to plug in those and see which one satisfies. Fastest way of doing these kind of problems.
Yeah.
So don't have to follow the rule book always. And by the way, slope would have been delta y by delta x. So that would have been 13 of minus 1. divided by 1 minus of minus 6. 14 by 7, 2. When I rewrite this equation, can I say I get minus 2x plus y equal to 11? So the slope will be 2 divided by 1 minus of that. So slope is 2. So either you can use this method or you can use this method or you can use the shortcut which I did here.
Yeah.
Which is first identifying which is the positive slope and then substituting the point inside one of these.
Yeah.
And why did I do it in E? Because I see that y is a large number and here the coefficient is large. So hence I
Yeah.
started with E.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
What is the y-intercept of a line that runs through the point 6 comma minus 5 and is perpendicular to the equation this? Okay. So can I say the line should be equal to y equal to mx plus c, and we need to know what is m and we need to know what is c. So can I say we know m from this because they're saying it's perpendicular to the line defined by this equation. What is the slope of this equation?
2/3.
2 by 3, yes. So hence what is the slope of this line? Perpendicular means minus 1 by slope. So take reciprocal and minus. So that is perpendicular. So hence our slope becomes minus 3 by 2.
Yeah.
So y equal to minus 3 by 2 x plus c. We do not know what is c, but we know that this line passes through 6 comma minus 5,
Yeah.
which means we can substitute x equal to 6 and y equal to 5 and find what is c. So 5 equal to minus
Yeah.
3 into 3, which is 9 plus c. So what is c?
4.
Uh, sorry, it's 6 comma minus 5 is the line, is the point. So this is
Yeah.
5. So what is c? 4, right?
Yeah.
So that's the answer. Okay, so this concept
Mm.
perpendicular means that the slope should be inverted and minus of that.
Yeah.
So that's the concept, perpendicular.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
so uh, let's stop here. We can do some part of it tomorrow morning along with
Okay.
some of your doubts.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sounds
Yeah. Yeah.
all right. Any other?
Um, did you say I should remind you tomorrow or today in the chat once
Yeah,
again?
tomorrow morning. Yes, on the chat.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
All
Just
right.
in case if I forget, yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good night. Take
Bye.